To change the webcam background on a Mac, you need to use a third-party application or a built-in feature, depending on the Mac model and operating system. First, ensure your Mac is updated to the latest version of macOS. Open the Mac App Store and search for a webcam background changing application, such as OBS Studio or Camo. Download and install the application of your choice. OBS Studio is free and popular, while Camo offers a free trial before requiring a subscription. Once the application is installed, launch it and follow the setup instructions. You will need to grant the application access to your webcam. In OBS Studio, click on the plus sign in the Sources panel. Then select Video Capture Device and choose your webcam. To change the background, you can use a feature called chroma keying, which removes the background from your video feed. In OBS Studio, right-click on the video capture device you just added. Then select Filters and add a chroma key filter. Adjust the settings to match your background, such as the color and threshold. You can also add a virtual background image or video by clicking on the plus sign in the Sources panel, then selecting Image or Video Capture Device. Another option is to use the built-in feature in macOS called Continuity Camera, which allows you to use your iPhone as a webcam. To do this, make sure your iPhone and Mac are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and signed in with the same Apple ID. On your Mac, open the FaceTime app and start a new call. Click on the Control Center icon in the menu bar. Then select Video and choose your iPhone as the camera. On your iPhone, open the Control Center and tap on Continuity Camera to start the video feed. You can then use the Photos app on your iPhone to select a background image or use a third-party app to change the background in real time. To achieve the best results, ensure the lighting in your room is even and the background is plain. By following these steps, you can easily change the webcam background on your Mac and enhance your video conferencing experience. Remember to always use reputable applications and follow the instructions carefully to avoid any issues.